Mo Mary Adom Ashawma Erade na ote wo hira wo mamu wo hira wo yafrumu aba Jesus Mary kronkron nyameni bompaye maye na de borefo sese ni da eni awieye agya no oba no ene soso kronkron nti assalamu alaikum nyame asomdwe enka ye nyina na anopai ye be kan se ne etie ye wada ye fa bi so kan ye nyi bi so fa frim da bi makacho se ye gina ma ye gina dwen Ghana nkanko Ghana mputuo politics e shape o man kanko partisan politics e twi o man sign medin dia kwasensia Asem de kabre na adruso meni ba bia wote se ne okanea ehonsem etie ela so dum ana ejina so a low current na wunya ana se wunya challenges na wo miamia wo no say issue state baby no mo chem say o ma short power bi ntie areas bi won mo be affected. Yes, gusu wo dum tie emu so enyina ehwem say one day ye bedru dum tie no awieye na ye ho atoye especially yankania ehonsem ba semba ko na won me asemu a the Minister for Energy Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh ede etodwa enura e okumase wabra na MPP power won campaign ho tuma wo Asante Mantem quickly ye hwe sa video no amemechro ensemba ko mienu bihwe leti ensemu a Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh Minister for Energy ede to general e okumase
campaign against John Mahama, and now we are experiencing a worse situation under President Adom. Would it reflect in the 2024 election? Would it be something that people will stand on to vote?
If you are comparing 4 years, MPP administration energy sector is 300 times better than John Mahama.
But we are still experiencing doom so.
Nobody has said we haven't. I'm just saying it's far much better than John Mahama ever did.
You do admit that there's doom so.
That is the word you used. I have never used that word. I've promised you that we are going to work on it. And it's not a work that is a single event. It's a process. And we'll continue to work on it for the energy sector to become better.
Have you heard of calls for a timetable?
Ask those who want it to bring it.
They should bring the timetable.
If there is, I haven't seen any timetable. So when
people are calling for it,
say bring a timetable, what do you mean? The ECG says that there's no timetable coming. Why do you want to bring a timetable? What purpose? Why would somebody get up and wish evil or bad for the country? When it is not planned, you can't tell the person. Were you in Ghana under John Mahama? Did you live in this country under John Mahama? Did you live in this country under John Mahama? Did you? I'm asking a question. Did you live?
It was equally worse.
It cannot be equally worse.
Okay, so just gone by and Komwa in Joy News and the Energy Minister Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh Edi Enra Ewo Asante Mantem Kumasi Emu. And there was when an MPP Amyoko Epau one regional campaign team Ehuntuma in the region. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh no crisis nipa ye papa opa ye papa emfia pem nipa ni maso but a da bonne kakra be fam no efa ejira pani wo kasa bi say bua me kosi mawie ye obetimi a it's so sad say yen energy minister Edia baby do at this level. It's so sad. And it's so sad, sir, it's happening at this time. Because Dr. Matthew Pukupempe no kuro wo mi yese. E fibra NPP amyoko efa Ghana banwa kese. Ebe si enne afiya ye wo mu ehun komu ayedi. At least MPP aye bietimi sustain ye kan amnesi so. So omani kwa ye him at this time. Amanfo hian kanea epe kanea de di wonwuma. Ahwe won fie ama won costo saudo etimi etumpon enyinya this time, Mr. Minister. This is not a time Asem you will throw tantrums at us. It's unfortunate. Doctor, it's unfortunate. Say enra kasabisa ifro numbai. Because people record your success story at the education ministry, Oba energy ministry, so my papa waye at least Mr. for the past 4 years na ba Ukraino and the previous years na ban yenya at least can you jina so kakra dia mayen as compared to baby and free ever. But your bedroom hand why your bedroom because there's a challenge somewhere. Doctor, there's a challenge somewhere. At the Ghana for na abo wabaso acho money yo ate say ampa na po ba ye no ABC the success said ya recording say the same Ghana for no air complain at this time and you say be ye time wo no how say it here ye time wo ye nchiri wo doctor ye time wo but you obebu abaso no atimi sanya kokodo esa criticize you send pani pe wasem because he believes that you can do it. And I want pointing out some of the dots na wo wo no so pani mo ni nko ho emeda bia meka ese nyina asoma ye nyintum say there's a challenge with the electricity. Nya MPP nya NDC or my moon to say there's a huge challenge. Yeah, I'm trying to address that challenge now. MPP beba, NDC beba, the same challenge will persist. Mama sure krata bia energy commission for penny for the by 2023. Be track kakrebi. Patch mama energy commission for let krata no. Be track portion kakrebi. I'm a try them say baby ababa dunya say fiti and be do honom. Ye free baby na neba and ye boy koko krata way free energy commission just electricity subsector as of December 26 2023 Ghana's system peak load stood at 3,680 megawatt representing a 4.3% increase from the 2022 recorded peak demand. Eti hwebabi ani yeko 2022 ye ba 2023 ye koyenim tie no mka fa 2024 ho. In 2024 system peak load is estimated to be 3,788. Meanwhile 2023 we are around 3,618. So energy commission kuraje to me say ye be wura afiwe mu no ye peak load no ebe kosro. And can you be at our peak time no ebe kosro. So the question is Electricity Company of Ghana, VRA, Gridco, Netco, what was the measures that you could have come to make sure say you bet me cater for any shortfall be baby? And this is Energy Commission. This is Energy Commission. Abanye dumekuo. You book compo a boot to suggest nim. And what catch say 2022 dear no 2023 dear corner by 4.3%. And 2024 system no peak ni be corner nim. Tieka say peak demand number be high. It's not see say and be high. Ni nim dada. And e me nkrata na yenkenkan ECG. VRA, Gridco, Netco, Ye men kratana yankin kanyana. Me say there's a challenge. Yes, some can no back catch Mahama time. Say, but you see, my issue is it shouldn't always be Mahama Akufo-Addo. Because besides penny for now, ya pomo as ministers, no, or more generators of you. Ya Ghana is carrying the toy. Or more generators, ya the Ghana is cast out to generate some more. And yes, I Ghana is to force I do more. And you do can you pay automatic now switch it. But me anyway. The course here say, and this time, and I said, for Mahama Chia, you bomb Mahama Chintra Mahama yen ye kakrama. See, young can't do Mamma Konya Hoshe. So you can just say, be a cassie a time, and Penda Mama. And you can't just see a time another than Akufo-Addo. There's a system challenge. We need to fix it. Tieni MPP and this is some non-fair film. Oh, any do election. Etienne NPP force the Akudum. So, hey, any Ajuba Dosum. Unyuma Begu. And no be some penda that John Draman, Mamma Becat was a dear tone and half them were doing so bad. What we should be as one be da. Should probably do a traffic. And then empire your body was on Mayana. Is that our wish? Because it being your partner or power in Tiana. Let's face the challenge head on. As for mine. Communica Kato say, MPs, ministers na, office say, ye defend you, and I say, me and keeping my woman, or when I buy a to generator their mom. If you don't come say, Chia Danka, Unchia light bill, Unchia water bill. And you have money generator, and you have to fool, dear Gum Yaman, it will tell you that there be a fool woman. The generator, and yes, I can't do no Piaco so. Can you do me within best 1 to 3 minutes? Pa! They just them ta. Now no much of them. One says so one could have fun. One could have fun and could have book. Who say yeah. So we can't continue to do MPP and this. Let's tell our leaders to face the challenge. Let's tell them. It can't be business as usual. Mampeda da Mahama de eba betru baby. Na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo ya ba betru baby. But ye hu say, sa challenge na ne egu mumre bi no, ye ya sa ben ho. Kwa be ne betimi afa so be free sa challenge ne mu. A generation challenge. A distribution. A day. Kwa be ne betimi afa so ye betimi deal with that. Oh no say be any culture. No kwembe timi afaswa ye besese no mumye mose se bia ye NDC 10 a e mose komede bia na meka se ye e bia on kanea no na meka de bia on kanea no wo de bia o so fan keke ba so do kanea no ye enwuma and an canny and echo offer. Come with the pain. What? Mummy in I am wa. Yen sissy and canny and honsem. Medical Casam say, and your MPP and your NDC Asem, and your Ghana Asem. Ghana phone ya yen come say, Burma dear Bako. Near face a challenge no head on. Yanko po yard watch never to us. Happy birthday, so who will be old in the birthday. Met me a mood enough for Chevy. Made the acquisition of mine of that ante. I cried another 4 8 and I said in pencil more at us, background.